What is up, YouTube? Leo or Yuli E30 here, back with another video. And there's a lot going on in this one image. This video is about this sleeping platform. It's pretty cool. I built this back over Thanksgiving break, so all of the footage of me building this is from last month. I wanted a sleeping platform for a really long time. At first I wanted a tent, but tents are expensive and gas mileage and all of that. This is cooler. So yeah, pros outweigh the cons. So I found some plans on Etsy, which I will leave down in the description. Dope. Hope you enjoy. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And let's jump in. I got gang with me. Jonathan, editor, cameraman, friend, companion. I had some help cutting the wood. I've been kind of busy. The 4Runner's kind of falling apart. It's got this weird shutter idle thing. Don't know if I've mentioned that. I'm probably gonna just dump it at a dealer. I don't feel like diagnosing it, and they'll be able to fix it, or at least tell me what's wrong so I can fix it. Or all of the wood was cut. Some of it was cut incorrectly. That's probably due to me taking terrible measurements. So we're gonna cut what we have and start building it. All right, John's playing some Battlefield 6.
Yeah.
While he's doing that, I'm going to start assembling the trunk side of the sleeping platform. So there's 3 runners that run along underneath. Problem is that one of them is cut to the wrong size. So I'm just gonna screw in 2 of them. I do have the driver's and the passenger side, and all of that is cut properly. So we'll be able to finish that tonight. Now for the fun part. We're gonna try and do a pocket jig, I guess. Okay, I see how this works. All right, so here you have the drill bit for the pocket jig. You basically just line this collar up with wherever you want it. Comes with a little Allen key. Loosen it. Okay, don't lose the screw like an idiot. Collar lines up with where you want it to stop. There you go. Oh, fuck yeah. So I got the locking slides in place, and yeah, this is cool. Yeah, this is awesome. The trunk top is secured to the back panel. I apologize for being out of breath. It's cold as fuck, and I'm getting sick again. Yeah, but this, my apologies. This is cool. This is really cool. So, what we're gonna do now is get this and these 2 in the back of the truck. I'm gonna collapse everything while I disassemble the back of the truck. And then I will get these panels fitted in, and yeah, we'll take a look. But first, I don't want to promote drinking alcohol, but tonight was a pretty good night, so cheers. But nevertheless, so we gotta take my WeatherTech mat out. And then because I'm uber autistic, I have the factory floor mat in here. Just pull it out. Alright. Take the cargo cover out. And we have broken down the 4Runner. So I'm going to now attempt to get this piece in the back of the truck. It's a little heavy. I think I can do it. Yeah, this is dope as fuck. I am so excited for this shit. So I'm an idiot, and that's not how maths. So I made an oopsie. They're screwed on the wrong sides. So I will fix that and be right back. I am so excited. No way. Nah, this is dope. Hold on. This is so cool. Hold on. Oh, dude, I'm so short. Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, that's cool. All right. So now the fun part. We get to lay down carpet. So I'm gonna pull all this shit out, plop it down here, and then we'll start laying some carpet. I want you guys to witness this stuff, right? So I forgot that I gotta sand these flat sides down so that it doesn't just fuck up my carpet. So. Now this is the fun part. Carpet's laid out. I would have done it on a cleaner surface, but this is the only surface I have access to. So everything's cut out to size. All I need to do now is notch the corners so that I can just fold over. I'm gonna do that off cam because it's just gonna take too long. But yeah, I will be right back. So I cut it all out. I've started stapling. The stapler I have is okay, but it likes jamming. So I do the best I can with these. Yeah. So that's really it. Just fucking stick a whole bunch of staples in until it looks good. So I'll be back once I finish this, and then we will go from there. Right, so it's D-ring time. So they're really nothing fancy. The little U-bracket, ring sits in there, and then, yeah. So these are kind of cool. I've never had to use them before, which is really why I'm excited. Yeah, this ain't going anywhere. I didn't even realize that I wasn't filming. So I flipped the box over, screwed it in. So now I'm screwing the sides in, and then gonna screw the front on, and then screw the slides on. And yeah, we're gonna have drawers in the back of the 4Runner. This is so cool. It's not the prettiest, but it works. It's gonna work. I got the locking slide lined up. Alright, so drawers are built. I'm now gonna take some measurements for drawer dividers and a false top.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So measurements are 15 3/4 by 5 1/4 for the dividers, and then 25 long by 5 1/4 for the false top. So ignoring the mess, yeah, this is awesome. Well, so that is the last of that footage that I recorded back then. We are now back, and it is January 1st, 2026. I don't know. Thank you. That's all I really have to say about that. It means a lot. So, now as for the rest of this stuff, I want to bring more content to you guys. I don't know. This shit's cool, and I gotta start dedicating my anxious energy into something. So yeah, I'm gonna put in my cars. The sleeping platform is done, but as you can see, there's lights. Yeah, these are really cool. There's this panel. I'm not gonna go over too much, but there's this panel that allows me to go like that. So yeah, that video is in the works of being edited. I now also have springs for the 4Runner. So this bit gonna go, and then there's also this. We got this. That's a flywheel for a S52. So yeah, Yuli's gonna be running soon too. I guess I just want to thank y'all. I don't know. This is fun. And I like sharing this stuff with y'all. I gotta get better at editing. It sucks. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace. It's cold as a mother.